Tired of fumbling for your wallet? Let's ditch the bulk and dive into the seamless world of Apple Pay. The good news is, you don't actually create a new Apple Pay account. It's already built into your Apple device and ready to roll using your existing Apple ID. Think of Apple Pay as a secure way to use the cards you already have. Right from your iPhone or Apple Watch, let's get those cards loaded into your Wallet app. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone. It usually looks like a white card on a black or dark background. Tap to open it. Now, look for the plus sign, usually in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to adding a new card. Tap the plus sign. You'll be presented with a screen that asks what type of card you want to add. Select debit or credit card. Next, you can either use your iPhone camera to scan your card. Simply position your card within the frame or choose to enter your card details manually. The camera option is usually faster and more convenient. If you opt for manual entry, carefully type in your card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code found on the back of your card. Double check for any typos. After entering your card information, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Read them carefully, then tap agree to continue. Your bank will then verify your card. This might involve a text message verification code or a call to your bank. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Congratulations, your card is now added to Apple Pay and ready to use. You can repeat these steps to add more cards to your wallet. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience and security of Apple Pay. Just look for the contactless payment symbol at checkout and hold your device near the terminal. Happy shopping!